Looking at Monday's daily math, what's the place value of the underlined digit? You have the number 6,064,325. What place value is that underlined digit, Owen?
10,000.
10,000s, very good. What's the value of that number? You have the digit 6 underlined. It's in the 10,000s place value. So what's the value of that? If you had 6 10,000s. Amy, what is it?
10,000?
6 10,000s makes how much? If 1 10,000 is a value of 10,000, what does 6 10,000s have a value of? Ansley?
60,000.
60,000. Very good. All right, the next one. You have the place value of the underlined digit 3 in the number 3,972,381. What's the place value, Brayley?
3 million.
3. It's in the millions place value, and it has a value of 3 million. Very good. Next, we have to find the sum. What does the word sum mean, Harper?
It means adding.
It means you're going to find the answer to the addition problem. So you have 983 plus 197. How did you solve, Harper? Okay, well, so how would you do that if you were going to add those two numbers together? What would you do?
Take the ones first and add them.
Okay, so tell me what you have in the ones place. You're correct. We would need to add the ones.
It makes 3 plus 7 is 10, so drop 0 there and add that 1 to that.
Okay.
That makes it 9. 9 plus 9 is 16.
9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, so what do I write down?
Put the 6 down.
Put the 8 down. Okay.
Add that 1 to that 9.
Okay.
That makes it 10. 10 plus 1 is 11.
Very good. So my answer is 1,180. All right, next we have to find the difference. What does this word difference mean, Ansley? Subtract. So we've got 313, and we're going to take away or subtract 154. How would I do that one, Kaden?
You subtract. That one confused me a little bit.
Okay, so tell me what confused you. What would I need to do first? Jacob, can you help him out a little bit? What do we need to do?
Take 10 away from the 10.
Okay, I'm going to have to borrow a group of 10.
So 4 can be subtracted.
Okay. So that makes that 13, and 13 minus 4 is 9. All right, now if I go to my tens place, I have 0 minus 5. So what do I do?
You have to borrow 10 from 3.
Okay. So that's going to become 2 hundreds.
Zero's going to be from 10.
Okay. So 10 minus 5 is
5.
and 2 minus 1 is,
1.
so my answer is 159. Good job. Find the product of 12 times 8. How did you do that one, Christopher?
12 times 8?
Mm-hmm.
I added up 12 8 times.
Okay.
And then I got 12 on I got 4 12s on the top and bottom. And then I added
96. Very good. So you could add those like you said, add 12 8 times. Is there another strategy that might be a little more efficient than that, Ansley?
I just said 8 times 12.
Okay. And you just knew that fact already?
Yeah. I just knew the answer.
Okay. All right. Jacob?
I did 88 plus 7.
Okay, good. You did 8 times 11 equals 88. And then you added 8 more to get 96.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Could I think about it this way? Could I do 8 times 10 equals 80? 8 times 2 equals 16. And then put those two together to get 96?
Yeah.
That works too. Okay, so all kinds of strategies we can use to get to our answer. All right, next we have find the quotient. What does quotients mean, Dylan?
It means find the answer.
So what kind of problem?
Divided.
A division problem. Very good. So what's the quotient? What is 60 divided by 5?
12.
How do you know that?
Because I count my fingers. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. And I run out my fingers and I do my toes.
So you counted by 5s until you got to 60? And it took you 12 5s to get 60? Okay.
Because it takes 10 5s to get to 50.
Uh-huh.
All it is just plus 2 more 5s.
Very good. Good thinking. All right. What is 70 times 10? This is what we worked on last week. What's 70 times 10, Amy?
700.
How do you know that?
Because the 7. I just kind of knew it.
Okay. Well, what were you thinking when you just kind of knew it?
I knew it was 700 because 70 times 10.
Okay, yeah, we've got to, when something gets 10 times bigger, it goes to the next larger place value on the place value chart. All right, how about 7,000 times 10? What's that going to be, Alexis? If 70 went from the tens place value to the hundreds place value, where would the 7 in 7,000 go when we multiply it by 10? Help her out a little bit, Caden.
70,000.
70,000. It gets one place value bigger. So 70,000. All right, what times 10 is going to equal 700,000? What will it be? Ansley? 70,000. Very good. All right, questions on today's daily math? On that section of it, we got a few more questions, but anything on that section?
Nope.
All right. Round the number 25,386 to the nearest thousand. How am I going to do that? How am I going to do that, Christopher? Uh-huh.
If you want to round it to the nearest thousand, you have to go to the thousandth place,
Okay.
which is right next to the 20,000th place. You have to, since it's a 5, you have to add it up.
Okay, so I'm looking at the 5. Let me write my number a little bigger over here. 25,386. So I have 5,000. Where do I look to see if that 5 is going to stay the same or change? I'm going to look to the next smallest place value, which is a 3. And the 3 tells the 5 to do what? Stay the same. So it's going to be 25,000. All right. 300,998 is greater than, less than, or equal to 300,899. Brayley?
89,000
Which one? 300,998 is greater than, less than, or equal to 300,899.
greater than?
Okay, how do you know that's greater than?
Because the numbers are higher than the other numbers.
Yeah, I have 300,000 and 300,000. That's the same. So then I have to go to my hundreds place value, and 9 is more than 8. All right, last question. 86,100 is greater than, less than, or equal to 86,099. Amy,
Greater than?
how do you know?
Because 86,000. The 99 is one less than 100.
Yeah, 99 is 1 less than 100. Very good.